fully electric aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing. This two-seater is capable of taking 550 pounds of payload with a flight time of up to 1 hour per charge. The Air One offers safe, simple, and quiet transportation for personal day-to-day commute, recreational activities, flight training, and endless other use cases ranging from logistics to rapid deployment missions. With 400 aircraft already pre-ordered by customers across the globe, most of which are in the United States, you could expect to soon see an Air One silently soaring through nearby skies. Air is offering a new way of doing things for those who want to fly. Designed for simplicity from inception, the aircraft has only 8 critical moving parts. The 8 motors, which control aircraft movement through power differentiation. No more complex control surfaces, gears, push rods, collectives, or expensive tilt mechanisms. Just 8 motors, of which only 4 are needed to stay airborne. The design includes double propulsion redundancy and quadrupled energy supply redundancy, meaning 4 separate battery packs. The Air One essentially envelops you with layers of safety nets, and as an added layer of safety, comes equipped with a ballistic parachute. Air's unique fly-by-intent is a first-of-its-kind flight control system. Controlling the aircraft is done using a single joystick, which relays manual inputs into the aircraft's computer, ensuring that the entire flight is conducted in a safe and efficient flight profile, free of hazards. Simply take off, point the aircraft in the direction of your intended flight, and enjoy the ride as your aircraft maintains its direction, speed, and altitude. The Air One can already be seen electrifying the skies as the company conducts full-scale flight testing, a milestone achieved in July of 2022 as part of its certification program, which is already underway with the FAA. To stay updated on the latest developments at Air, or to hear about events such as open test flight viewings, make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and sign up to our newsletter by logging on to www.airev.aero. Air, making the freedom of flight accessible.